Hi ladies, today our topic is eyeliner. If you're noticing, I already did one eye, so you always can see how it looks at the end and also how does it look without it. So you can see the benefit, how brighter, how sharper it looks here. So I like to use liquid eyeliner and I'm using e.l.f. And also I'm using a special eyeliner brush which has a very thin angled brush. I also sometimes using when I'm doing several lines and I'm doing some intricate design, which is I hope to show you one day, I'm using that teeny tiny brush, but very rare when I'm doing more artistic work. So right now what I'm gonna do, first very unpleasant part. Unpleasant for me, unpleasant for my clients, for my students who's asking me to do the makeup. So I'm taking the product and I'm going to place a little bit that product on my hand, so it will be less of the product on the brush. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go inside corner, not inside corner, inside of my eye and put liner there. If you ever did it to yourself, you know that you immediately want to cry. That's why I'm giving myself time to blink, so I call it blinking time when I'm doing eyeliner inside, and you can see already that my eyes are watery, but don't worry, it's only for a second. So, but that's usually I do to make it more brighter, more sharper. My eye. And now this is another unpleasant part. I'm going to take my eyelid, slightly pick it up, and I will try to get inside of my upper lid with my eyeliner. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to slightly continue that line on the skin, and then I'm going to place my eyeliner all the way on the top of my eye. Watch that. I think I'm finished with my eyeliner. So to repeat it one more time, we have eyeliner inside of their corner, and we have eyeliner all the way on top of their eye. Some of their girls is asking me, why do I have to do eyeliner on the top if I'm going to use the eyelashes? But usually, I don't know if maybe my eye or the way how it was done, every time when I place fake eyelashes without the eyeliner, I literally slightly see between them. I see something inside of the fake eyelashes, at the base of the fake eyelashes. So when I put eyeliner, I don't see it. It looks more, if I can tell that word here, more natural to me and more organic if I will have eyeliner and then on the top of it I will put fake eyelashes, which is our next thing to do. Now we're going to put our eyelashes on. Woohoo! Before we put eyelashes, I'm gonna to curl my eyelashes first, and I'm gonna to put mascara, regular black mascara on my natural eyelashes before I will put the fake one. I noticed that this way fake eyelashes and natural eyelashes, they come together, and again they look more neat this way. And of course I'm putting the mascara on. Okay, I'm going to use regular fake eyelashes. Usually for competition makeup, try to use the bigger one. Don't go modest. Go not modest, okay? So we're taking eyelashes and we are taking eyelash glue, and that's what we need. And then I take fake eyelash. I put already eyelash glue on the edge of it. Use something to help me to place it, and here you go. Let's try it. After I put eyelashes on, I'm gonna just slightly adjust them in a shape like I want, and then I would be ready. Now ladies, do you remember what I mentioned to you about eyebrows, that they feel quite dark and too much when our eye is not done? Here you go. I just put my longest eyelashes. Believe me, this is the longest. This is something that I feel like I need to use sometimes for that very dramatic effect. I have a specific costume that I need to use, as well as you can use it for Latin. For ballroom, I'm using, when I'm dancing smooth and standard, I'm usually using quite shorter eyelashes, but they still not as regular eyelashes on you every day. They have to be dramatic to make a look. So now if you're noticing eyebrows and the eyes, they make sense, right? So right now I hope you like what we did so far. So far we did with your eyebrows, eyeliner, eyeshadow, and we put eyelashes. And now next part will be to start with foundation of your face for competition makeup. So please subscribe to my channel to receive the next video as soon as possible.